What's up, guys? I just wanted to make a short little video of the head unit that I put in. Android 10.1 inch screen, Android 8.1 software. I got this off eBay. It costed about $80, which is really nice. It's been a real good installment for this compared to the old one that I hadn't, which is the stock one. The difference between this one and the stock one is that it had better capabilities with the Bluetooth. An add-on feature that's good is the Wi-Fi that it has on here, the GPS, which is what I wanted, and everything. To show y'all a little bit of the installment process that I did. So give me a minute. Try to get you a good view of it real quick. So basically, it came with the wires. It came for the wires, the regular wires to hook up. It came with the wires for backup cam. It came with the GPS wire, and it came with the wires to connect subs to it. So basically what I did is, you see the electrical tape. Make sure you get the harness for this that connects to your car for this. Easy process. So basically you just want to connect the harness and then connect the wires, which is the wires with the same color you connect. So solid colors, let me get you a better view. Solid colors would be a positive, and then certain wires would have a solid and then a black strip. I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, a black strip, that will be a negative. So you want to connect the solid ones together and then the solid with the stripes together. And it's a easy process, basic, anyone can do it. It took me maybe 30 minutes to put this in. And just make sure you electrical tape it right, or you could use other ones. Maybe some heat shrink, and it's basically it. So, okay, now that I have it back in, I'll show you some of the features it has. Radio, of course, you already know, it always has that. Bluetooth, apps. You can sync your Google account to this and download apps just like if you had an Android phone. So that's good. Music, it did come with 2 USB outlets that you can plug in, which is right here. And you could plug USB into it. If it has stuff on it, it could download it to the radio itself. As the navigation. Now the navigation, the way I have it set up is I have my phone as a hotspot, and it connects to my phone, and I can use the navigation. And if you don't want to do it that route, you can download maps on the system on this, and it will work with the navigation when there's no internet connection on it. So that's good. It does have, you go to the settings section of it, and you can play sound system. Everything is on here. It all works good. You can also play with the speakers, sub, low, mid, high, the hertz, everything, custom, classical, jazz, pop. So that's good on that. You can also download backgrounds. You could download anything like that. Maps. These are the apps that comes with navigation, radio. Okay. If you slide, you could you got YouTube. There is a phone link where you can mirror the from your phone to the radio. But I downloaded it. This is the only problem I ran into. That I downloaded it and it was all in Chinese or either one, Chinese or Japanese, and I can't understand none of the stuff it's saying, so I don't use that. So I know there's an app probably on here where I could download where it will mirror off, and you can also do that. It has file manager. Like I said, you plug in a USB into it. You can download all your files on here if you want, music, pictures, videos, everything. And that's basically it. Like I said, if you get a backup cam, you can put it into your subs, same thing. Is it worth the $80? Yes, it is. Very affordable. You get everything you want. And it's easy to set up for anyone. You don't need to be experienced for it, so don't even worry about it. $80. I'll put the description in the below in the box. So if you want to buy it, you can. It's right there for you, easy access. So this will be the end of the video. Don't forget, subscribe, stay safe, and wrench daily. Thank you.